Hello everyone, you're watching the Sign Graphics installation video set, and I am your most honorable host, Chris. Today we're on location at Bending Oaks Academy to show you the finer points of floor graphic installation. Step number 1 is to place the graphic in the desired location. You can see we're laying the graphic on the ground and lining it up so that it'll be just perfect for installation. Step number 2 involves using the tape as a guide so that later on we can line the graphic up just perfectly. Now we're going to cut that tape so that we can remove the graphic from the floor, but we'll be able to line the tape up later for an exact fit. You can see she's cutting a line between the graphic and the floor. Now you're free to manipulate the graphic any way you need to, but when it comes time to install it, you can put it exactly where you need to. Okay, step number 4, we're going to flip the graphic over and peel back some of the backer to expose the adhesive. You're going to want to fold down that backer to keep it out of the way. You'll notice that she uses a razor blade and very carefully cuts the backer off. Be sure you don't cut through the graphic. Now it's time to flip your graphic back over, making sure that the adhesive doesn't touch the floor, and line up those tape registration marks we made earlier. You can see she's lining up those tape marks just exactly, and now we're ready to adhere the image to the floor. You can see that her squeegee motion begins in the center and moves outward, and that she overlaps each stroke with the next one. This helps prevent air bubbles from forming beneath your graphic. Once you've got that anchor point secured to the floor, you can flip the graphic over and pull back some more of the backing. You can see she pulls back about a foot, and don't forget to fold that backer over. That will make things easier. And notice how she keeps the graphic taut so that the adhesive doesn't roll up on itself and it doesn't stick on the floor until you're ready to have it stick on the floor. Notice she's overlapping her squeegee strokes again. Now flip the graphic back over and continue the same step again, exposing a little bit of the graphic at a time, overlapping your squeegee strokes, going from the center outwards, and continuing on. There's no need to rush these steps. It's important to take your time so that your graphic will look its best. And we're continuing to pull out more of the backer and continuing the squeegee. Now you'll notice when she gets to the end that she holds on to the edge to try to keep some tension on the graphic so that it doesn't fold on itself. That way she's always in control of the graphic and can lay it down properly and squeegee it down properly. After you have the graphic on the floor, go around and look for any air bubbles. If you see any air bubbles, squeegee them out to the ends in the same manner that she is. Once you've completed that step, your floor graphic is ready for you to enjoy. That concludes our lesson on installation of floor graphics. Check out our other installation videos. Remember that Sign Graphics has an entire library of installation videos to help you with your graphic installation needs.